If you're a complete beginner and want to start investing, this video will show you exactly what to do, step by step. Most people delay investing because they think it's complicated. It's not. You don't need to be an expert. You need a system. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. This is simply an account that allows you to buy investments like stocks and index funds. If you're in the US, platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab are commonly used. Opening one takes about 10 minutes. Step 2. Don't try to pick individual stocks. Most beginners lose money trying to guess the next big company. Instead, buy an index fund. An index fund is a collection of hundreds of companies bundled together. For example, an S&P 500 index fund owns the 500 largest companies in the United States. Historically, it has returned around 8 to 10% per year on average over the long term. Step 3. Invest consistently. Even $100 per month can grow significantly over time. If you invest $100 per month at 10% for 30 years, you would have over $200,000. Consistency beats timing. There will be market crash. The market may drop 20% or even 30%. That's normal. Long-term investors who stay invested historically win. Investing is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building wealth slowly and consistently. Open an account. Buy a broad index fund. Invest every month. That's the system. If you want more simple breakdowns about money and investing, subscribe.